Welcome to Dorman Products Diesel Exhaust Fluid or DEF Injection Nozzle Installation video. The only tool required for this procedure is a small hook tool or flat screwdriver to release clips and fittings. You'll also want to have protection for your eyes and hands, as you'll likely come in contact with diesel exhaust fluid, which is ammonia-based. Begin this procedure while the vehicle's engine is cold. You'll be working at the diesel particulate filter on the exhaust system, which is the hottest part of the system while the vehicle is running. Ensure that the particulate filter is cool to the touch before beginning work. From underneath the vehicle, locate the diesel particulate filter on the exhaust system roughly midway downstream. Disconnect the electrical connector from the DEF injection nozzle. Release the quick disconnect fitting that joins the exhaust fluid line to the injector nozzle. The fluid line should not be pressurized, but residual fluid in the line may run out. Using the hook tool, release the spring clip that retains the DEF injector nozzle in the diesel particulate filter. With everything disconnected, remove the DEF injector from its fitting in the particulate filter. Make sure to remove the injector O-ring if it doesn't come off with the injector. Apply a thin film of high-temp lubricant to both O-rings on the new injector nozzle. Place the quick disconnect nipple over the female end of the nozzle and insert the locking plate. Snap the spring clip in place over the locking plate to secure the assembly. Insert the new injector nozzle into the particulate filter, ensuring it snaps securely in place. Then reconnect the fluid line and electrical connector.